In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create automatic leaderboard in Google Sheets. The goal is to take a simple list of names and scores, then automatically sort and display the top results the moment new scores are added. Start by setting up your data the right way. In your spreadsheet, create a tab for data entry and name it Scores. This sheet is your database, so keep it clean and consistent. In column A, you will store each player name. In column B, you will store the score. Make sure names start on row 2, and scores also start on row 2, so row 1 can be used for headers like name and score. As you add more rows over time, this structure will let your leaderboard update without extra work. Next, create a separate tab that will display the leaderboard. Add a new sheet and rename it to Leaderboard. This is the sheet you will look at, while Scores is the sheet you will type into. Now in the Leaderboard sheet, click into cell A2 and enter the main formula, Chiwari, Scores. A2B. Select A-B where B is not null. Order by B des. Limit 10. This query pulls the name and score from the Scores sheet, ignores blank score rows, sorts the scores from highest to lowest, and then shows only the top 10. After you press Enter, the results should appear right away. A helpful tip is to make sure your score column is truly numeric. If scores are stored as text, sorting may not behave as expected. To add ranking numbers, you will create a rank column to the left. In cell A1, type rank. Then in cell A2, enter $s=10(1). This automatically generates 1 through 10, and it matches your top 10 list. If you see the query results starting in the same column, shift your query output one column to the right, so names and scores sit next to the rank. Finally, add highlighting for the top 3 using conditional formatting. Select the rows of your leaderboard table that you want to format. Then go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Create a rule using a custom formula of $A, 2 =1, and set the fill color to a gold-like color, then click Done. Add a second rule with the custom formula $A, 2 =2, and choose a silver or light gray fill, then click Done. Add a third rule with the custom formula $A, 2 =3, and choose a bronze or light orange fill, then click Done. Now your leaderboard will sort, rank, and highlight automatically as soon as new scores are entered. And that is all there is to it.